Hello everybody, this is Patchi from minipicassos. Today we are gonna make this adorable project. You're gonna learn how to make these adorable balls that they spin like that and some very cute drawings. Fridakalho and Pablo Picasso. Let's do it together. This is the material you're going to need. Some white paper. You also need a piece of thread and some colorful paper. They can be like origami paper or wrapping paper, or even you can use paper from magazines because they have beautiful colorful pages, so you could use them. I am going to use a piece of origami paper because it's already cut in a good size. So you're gonna need something to be a template to make a circle. Because I want to make many circles, I'm going to make a little pile of pieces of paper. So when I draw the circle now, I will have 3 layers. So first circle done. Now, second circle, it means that I'm gonna have actually 6 circles. So, let's cut. After cutting very well on the top of the line, you are going to fold the circle in the middle. Use your nails to make this fold very good. Well done. So now we separate the half circles. You are going to try to mix the colors, so when we are going to stick them, we don't have two the same together. So here we go. You are going to put some glue on half of the circle. Then you're gonna get the other circle and stick right on the top, just like that. You see, try to put the edges together. Now on the top of this one, glue again. And you see, I'm using different colors of paper. Okay, now all done. Here comes the moment. Oh, look at that. It looks very nice and colorful, doesn't it? Okay, so now we are going to put the thread. So you are going to put glue on both sides of the half circle, so all the circle. Put the thread right in the middle, like this. And then you fold over, so you make sure that the glue sticks the thread right inside. Can you see that? So the thread goes from one side to the other, and then we are able to spin it. Oh, that's a very beautiful effect. Oh, I love it. Well, now let's make the face of our artists. So you're gonna need the white page. Again, we are gonna make a circle. So first, we are gonna make Frida. Get your template. Remember, we are gonna make 2 faces. We are gonna make Frida Kahlo and Pablo Picasso. So it's a good idea to do 2 circles. So to make it easier, just draw once, fold the paper in the middle, and then cut. So you're gonna have 2 circles, and you're gonna be ready to make your 2 beautiful drawings. Try to be very precise and cut on the line. So here we are. 2 circles, one for Fridakalho and the other one for Pablo Picasso. So let's do it. Let's start with Frida. Get a pencil. She's so pretty. So let's see how to make that. First, you're gonna draw half circle. It's like a rainbow upside down. Then we're gonna make 2 lines. These are gonna be the neck and the shoulders. Nice. Now we are going to make the eyebrows. So look what I'm doing. I'm connecting the eyebrow with the nose. So it's a different way of drawing, but it makes it very interesting. Frida Kahlo was very famous for her very, very thick eyebrow. So we are going to do it mending it in the middle. For the eyes, we make like a little rainbow and then a little ball in the middle. Eyelashes are always very nice. Then we have a lovely mouth. Oh, it looks really cute. So let's make now Frida's hair. She used to have lots of flowers on her hair. So we're going to start drawing the flowers. You can draw any shape you want. I like this shape. I think it's very cute. As many as you want. If you want to put leaves, they're going to make a nice effect. So now let's draw the hair. And a very, very big pair of earrings. Frida Kahlo loved earrings. So we're going to make nice big ones. Now is the moment to give her a beautiful dress. Look, I'm going to use the line that I made for the shoulder to make a decoration on the sleeves. So I don't need to use the eraser. Okay, dress is done. So we are going to make some lines and write the name of our lovely artist, Frida. Now a little bit more lines. And then Kahlo. Very nice. So we are ready now to use some pencils and give it lovely colors. I like to color with pencils very, very much. Much more than coloring with pens. So remember that it's your choice. You can use either pen or pencils. This is just my preference. Oh, she's so cute. Lovely flowers. Colorful dress. Very dark eyebrows and eyes and very dark hair. Okay, Frida is done. Now it's time to make Pablo Picasso. Okay, let's see that. To make Picasso, we're going to start the same way we did with Frida. We are going to make that upside down rainbow. Yep, let's see. And then the neck. Pablo Picasso is going to have a t-shirt that is a stripy one. Oh, sorry, my hand was right in front of all the drawing. I'm sorry. Okay, so here we are. Let's give him some top of the head because Pablo Picasso at this time of his life didn't have much hair on the top, so he had more like hair on the sides. We are going to make the same nose that we did for Frida, so eyebrows connected to the nose. We are going to make some lines on his forehead. And here are the eyes. Not a very, very big mouth, but a very cute smile. We are going to write his name the same way we did it with Frida. So Pablo, and then little lines, and Picasso. For his clothes, we are not gonna use lots of colors. He loved the striped t-shirt, so normally it was like black and white or dark blue and white. So I need a color for his face. Let me find. Okay, this is a good one. Good. Okay, so stripes, black stripes. I'm gonna make a bit of a gray hair. Okay, so done. So at this moment, we are gonna connect this to the thread that we have left on the bauble we made before. So let's put some glue everywhere. Now you get the thread. Remember to do it on the longer side. So you put the thread here right in the middle. Then you get the other picture and you just stick on the top. And we are done. Oh, look at that. It looks really, really cool. So you can separate the pieces of paper. Oh, it looks so nice. So remember that you can make as many balls as you want. Look, I made many on this thread. And in case you don't have any colorful paper at home, you could get white paper and just paint it or color it the way you prefer. Look at this. Very, very nice. At the end, you could, here I put a piece of masking tape, but you could put, for example, a bell. You could put beads, you know, these ones that you use to make a necklace, and they would make your thread a little bit heavier. Oh, I don't have any here to put, but I think you understand. It's just to hang something here at the end to make it a little bit heavier. If you don't have, you don't need. You see, I didn't use any. So here we are, ready with the project. Oh, it's really, really adorable. Did you enjoy making the project? Isn't it adorable? If you liked that, please give us a thumbs up and sign to this channel that has so much art for you every week. It was very nice to do this with you. Please, if you made it, send us a photo so we can put on our lovely gallery. Thank you. Bye.